Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to review and unbox this Moto G35 5G. So friends, before we review it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. This is the things under the box. So now let's check its specifications and features of this mobile phone. First of all, let's check its design, ports and buttons. Look at this cell phone. It's look very smooth and silky when I touch it. It's made up of premium vegan leather design. So friends, it's really wonderful. Let's talk about its ports and buttons. On this side, this is the power buttons, volume up and down buttons, and on the upward secondary mic here to insert your SIM card, and this is 3.5 mm jack mic and charge point. Here is the speakers. The screen size of Moto G35 is 6.72 inch and the refresh rate is 120 Hz, which ensures the smooth and gaming display, and the brightness is 1000 nits peaks, which gives vibrant visuals even you stay in outdoors. This will amazing, really. You can check here, it's indoor and the brightness it's flashing as it's like torch, so it's really amazing. While the resolution is 2400x1080 pixel with full HD plus resolution type, and screen protection is durable with Corning Gorilla Glass. And not only that, the design is IP52 water repellent with touch technology. Look at the video quality, it's really fresh and amazing. It's very clear and colorful. As it says, the resolution is 2400x1080 pixels. It's full HD plus, and I want to show you here it's advanced the quality of this 4K video. Before I show you, here you have to move on setting, then I just move on this quality, then you can check through from here advanced. Here's the quality. From here you can check till where you can increase it. RAM of Moto G35 5G is 4GB RAM plus 128GB ROM up to TB. It means it's expandable storage. Under this phone, the sound is dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. And if you want to hear the sound of this cell phone, then I just play some music right now. I've made up my mind, I just wanna be free. I live my own life in a new galaxy. I wanna be weightless in the silence of the night sky. I wanna free fall into nothing. I'm taking the moment, starting all over. I wanna be free and live my own life in a new galaxy. Now let's check camera. Main camera is 50 megapixel quad pixel plus 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and the front camera is 16 megapixel with 4K video recording. These selfie images click photo attractively with clear and sharp. As I want to show you some images on this screen. Not only that, friends, this mobile phone even supports gaming under 120 Hz refresh rate, which you can play your game smoothly. The processor is powerful because it is T7605G processor, octa-core 2.2 GHz. Battery is 5000 mAh with 20-watt charger. So this is all about the Moto G35. I think at this price this mobile phone is excellent. It has a large vibrant display, a long lasting battery and a good camera quality. Overall, Moto G35 5G is perfect choice. It's really amazing and mind blowing. So friends, if you loved the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye. I've made up my mind, I just want